Hello everyone. Shall we start our class? Okay. So first we want to do our meditation. Okay. So we can go with our meditation now. Next is informal talk in English. So find a new pair and sit face to face, and you just talk informally with that pair. At last you just give appreciation to that partner. Okay. Next is elocution. So here the subject is increasing child harassment. So we can see about this topic. Somebody wants to talk.
Hi, I am going to tell few words about child harassment. Child harassment or abuse is a physical or sexual, emotional maltreatment or neglect of a child or children. Child harassment means any act or series of or omission by a parent or other care gives the results of a harm, potential for harm, threat of harm to a child. Child harassment or abuse can occur child's home, organization, school, communities they interact with. There are four major categories of child abuse: neglect, physical abuse, psychological or emotional abuse, neglect, sexual abuse. First, physical abuse. Physical abuse involves physical aggression directed at a child by an adult. Some of the professionals claim that physical punishment are one of the could cause child abuse. Examples: bruises, burns, broken bones, lacerations as well as repeated mishaps. Next, sexual abuse. Child sexual abuse is the child cause of the sexual stimulation. Most sexual stimulation offenders accounted with the victims of approximately 30% are relatives of the child, most often brother, fathers, mother and uncles, cousins. Around 60% are other accountants of the such as friends of the family and neighbors, babysitters, and strangers are the offenders. Approximately 10% of the child sexual abuse cases. Next, psychological or emotional abuse. Psychological or emotional abuse is defined as the production of the psychological and social defects in the growth of a child as a result of behavior such as loud yelling, coarse and rude attitude, attention, criticisms and renegation of the child development. Last one, neglect abuse. Child neglect abuse is a result of the parents with the responsibilities of the child provide to need food, shelter, clothing, medical and dental care. Some of the degree of the child abuse and the child's health and the safety of the child occur. Physical and psychosocial development. The children who are the victims of the neglect. Formal and informal relationship such as romantic of the friendship, and later in life due to the attachment of earlier such as safe in life.
Okay, after the elocution, we are going to prepare a teaching aid here. It is rollograph. We can see how it is making here.
Hi, this is rollograph, and this is a very good teaching aid. We can show, this is like a TV, we can show the stories like this. This is very interesting teaching aid. How to make this? First, we want one cardboard box, shoe box or any box. Then we want 2 PVC pipes. Then we want to write one story in a long paper. We can 2 A4 paper. Then penetrate one PVC pipe into this here. Then we want to stick here the first part and the last part. Then we want to penetrate through this and then cut the front of the box. Then we can see this story like this.
Here we understood how to make a wonderful teaching aid like a rollograph. I think the kids are very fond of watching TV, so this item will impress her very much, and it will catch the kids' attention in the class itself. So after that, by making this rollograph, today's portion is over. So we can take the class in next time.